Welcome everyone to the Insights Current Affairs quiz of 26th September 2022. Though I know today is 27th September, but this website does not upload quiz nowadays on the same day. Its time was 11 a.m. but so that is why I will upload quiz on the day -1, which means I will upload yesterday's quiz now. So why is this video made? So in order to explain how to solve questions, there are two kinds of question. One question that you know and one that you do not know. So that you know will be relatively easy, but there is a condition that you can do the questions wrong. And second is when you do not know how to exactly tackle the question. So we will see by starting the quiz. So first question is related to El Nino and La Nina. This has come a lot of time. First option is there is a direct correlation between El Nino, Southern Oscillation, which is ENSO condition, and the amount of monsoon rainfall in India. So this statement is true, except one word, direct. There is no direct correlation between El Nino, Southern Oscillations and monsoon, though it is one of the factor. ENSO is one of the factor, but it is not directly related. So this statement is wrong because of the word direct. So this you have to see. You may have chosen the option number 1 as a correct option, but direct is a word that can make this correct, make this statement wrong. It is in fact making. Second is while La Nina is associated with good rainfall during the monsoon season in India, El Nino is known to suppress monsoon rainfall. So this is, you must learn, La Nina is cooling of water in the Pacific Ocean. El Nino is relatively warmer water. La Nina means good rainfall. El Nino means not so good monsoon rainfall. So only second statement is correct. Now we will move to next question. This is a question that you have to learn. There can be no simple guesses. India presently has which of the following research stations at Antarctica? So this is, you have to learn that Matri and Bharti, these two are in Antarctic and Himadri is in Arctic. So this is relatively easy to learn. Matri Bharti in Antarctic and Himadri in Arctic. This you can also learn using Himadri, which is a mountain range. This is located in north side. So north means Arctic. So Himadri is in Arctic. This is relatively easy way to learn. So we will choose option number first and third. So option number C. First is under Article 341 of the Constitution, the President of India may specify the caste, race or tribes that shall be deemed to be scheduled caste. This has come in newspaper a lot of time. President have the power to specify that this caste, this race or this tribe shall be deemed to scheduled tribes. And there are some factors onto which it decides. I've explained this in newspaper. So you can check out this. This must be, I think, 1 week before, or you can check it on internet as well. Second is no person who professes a religion different from Hindu, Sikh or Buddhist religion shall be deemed to be a member of scheduled caste. So this also is truth, because whole matter of including other religions such as Christian and Muslims into the scheduled caste is based on this statement, because there is no such condition right now. Only Hindu, Sikh and Buddhist can be a part of the member of scheduled caste, no other religion. So this statement is also true. Third is the rights of a person belonging to scheduled tribes are dependent of his or her religious faith. This statement is incorrect, because any right of scheduled tribes are not dependent on his or her religious faith. This you must learn. So first and second options are only correct. This was also something that you can tackle with the current affairs, newspaper, as well as knowing Article 341. No absolute guesses can be here. Now comes the question, which of the following country has launched artificial sun project that mimics the energy generation process of the sun? So this question also you have to learn. It was China. It came out in the Indian Express newspaper in the word page or front page, I think. It became a very important news because it works on the process of fusion, which is a nuclear process. So China is the one that have launched artificial sun project. Although it is not relatively more current, it occurred in 2021. So we'll choose option number B. Next come fifth question, which is consider the following statement regarding currency deposit ratio. First is, it shows the amount of currency that people hold as a proportion of aggregate deposit, which means cash that people have in hand as if it is compared to the deposits that are in bank. So this is currency deposit ratio. So this is true. Second is, an increase in cash deposit ratio leads to increase in money multiplier. So this statement is not true. Why? Because if you increase cash deposit ratio, so it will not increase money multiplier. And how exactly it works? If there is a increase in deposit interest, so for example, if you get more interest if you deposit money, so people will, what they will do, they will start depositing money and they will get their interest back. Now if they start to deposit more cash in the banks, then the deposit will increase and the cash in pocket will decrease. So that is why money multiplier decreases. You can also read this in your economy book. This will make you more clear. So I'll choose which of the following options are incorrect. So this is a trick. You see there it is written which is incorrect. This is where sometimes questions get wrong by us. So we will choose option number second. So today's question were more of learning rather than based on guesses. So do not just depend on guesses. Learn the real concept behind the questions and then solve them. So I hope when you come tomorrow, you will solve the quiz by yourself as well. Then come to see the analysis.